We've had this here for a long time, but we no longer use the storage. Half the stuff in there is gone. Either that or we now have room in it because he redid the kitchen so well, so it doesn't have to be under here. So this is going, and something new's coming in. We had been using the bottom cushions here and the back cushions from an outdoor set, a couple of outdoor sets that we got at Home Depot, but this foam, over time, we use the couch a lot and it's collapsed. It's not comfortable anymore. It's like sitting directly on the wood. And these pillows have always been a problem. They get shuffled around, thrown around. They aren't really comfortable when he lays back to watch TV, so they just get thrown all over the place. The new couch is going to be 35 inches in depth and should give him plenty of space to relax and watch TV. The couch we're looking at Ikea is 80 3/4 inches. We measured across the wall and we have about 81 1/2, but he's going to have to do something with these window edges and probably pull the curtains up. I don't know. He'll figure it out because we really like that couch. Old couch is torn out and gone. We've got a lawn chair there so he could watch TV for the last day or two. The only thing that I have to find a place for inside is the file box and my sewing box. That's the dog grooming stuff there. And we've got some stuff over here that will go in the bins outside. Here is the couch. I want to tell you, if it wasn't for the neighbor down the block, we would not have gotten this sucker in there. We got it in the box because we didn't want it scratched up. We got the railing there off. Almost had to take the door off, but not quite. I wish I had my camera outside when we were doing it. It was a treat. We ended up pushing it halfway in, couldn't get it in, couldn't get it out. So the neighbor kid, who was young and lithe and strong, had to climb up that ladder on top of the box and come in through the door that way. The poor kid. I mean, he did it, but would have scared me to death. At Ikea, at the same time we got the couch, we got these pillows. They come, just the covers. Where's the zipper? And you can buy pillow fillers. There's the zipper. Buy pillow fillers to put in. Now, he doesn't like just one pillow filler. It's just all squishy. So in here, there are 2 of the duck feather pillow fillers. 2 in each one, and they're a nice firm pillow. And that is where we are. I think I have to clean those blinds, and he has to rehang the TV. And we're set. Of course, this is how it is usually going to look because Mr. Dog has taken possession of it. And he jumps up there with wet, dirty feet and chew toys. He sits up there and licks himself. I don't want him on the leather, so that means we aren't going to sit on the leather. For the most part, we're just going to sit on an old blanket. We are tall people, and for some reason, Ikea furniture always feels too low to us. So for the time being, a 2x4 will work. We may just leave it like this, or we may do something else.